उस वक्त तो दूरदर्शन एकमात्र चैनल हुआ करता था, तो उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया था कि ये लता जी हैं, ये गाती हैं, ये हेमा जी हैं, ये डांस करती हैं. Then there's Rakesh Sharma, who's a pilot who's gone to space, and I'm like, I believe I pointed out to Hema ji, and I guess that was probably just a way of putting it. That's what my father tells me, and he कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है वही शायद दोनों चाहते थे कि कुछ तो हो, because both of them come from a very educational background. My mom is a banker, my father is a chemical engineer, so nothing to do with music or dance. दूर दूर तक family में
Right.
everybody is an educationist. Most of them are doctors actually. तो हमारी ही गली में जहाँ हम रहते थे, तीसरी बिल्डिंग में नीचे एक ऐसा बोर्ड लगा हुआ था जिसमें घुंघरू की एक तस्वीर लगी हुई थी. एंड he just walked in. He just walked into the building and said, "Where is this class?" So it was a ground floor class, and my first guru, he's no more, Pandit Madan Kumar ji, and he said that he walked in and he said, "नहीं, हम बस ऐसे ही आए हैं देखने." तो there was a class going on. There was a person on tabla, playing tabla. कोई हारमोनियम पे था. कुछ चंद बच्चे थे जो सीख रहे थे. तो हमें बिठाया गया और थोड़ा कुछ चला, हमने देखा, फिर there was a break. So then Guruji asked my father, so father introduced himself कि मेरा नाम सुधीर शाह है और ये मेरी बेटी है प्राची और 3.5 साल की है. So I remember Guruji saying कि आओ बेटा, that's what Guruji told. I mean, my dad tells me that I was called in the center of the hall and let's do this. पहली कथक में ना तत्कार होती है, ताथे थे तत आथे थे तत. First basic footwork that is taught in Kathak. It's simple, right left, left right, left right. सीधी सी बात है. But when you actually do it, it's just a matter of synchronization between your right brain and left brain. I believe I just did it so well at the first go in 3 different layers that the tabla and the harmonium were playing, that Guruji told my dad कि शाह साहब आज से ना आपकी बेटी हमारी है. These were his
Wow.
words. And आप इसे अगले, that was a Tuesday I think, and he said अगले गुरुवार को आप उसे भेज दीजिए, शाम को क्लास होता है 6 से 7:30. And that's how my journey started, and it's still continuing.
How nice.
It's God's will. But I think sometimes I think माँ बाप एक जरिया होते हैं, जहाँ आपको पहुँचाया जाता है. And I feel you just kind of land up at a place and then you follow. I thank my parents, and particularly my father, who at that point decided that yes, from Tuesday she will come.